Nowadays, life has become so hectic, and there is more and more tensions building up due to this pandemic creeping all over the place. But this is the right time to start meditating. Now, what is meditation? When I started off with meditation, everybody in my family they started to say, "You are too young. This is not the time to meditate. You become 60 or 70, okay, that is the time you retire and then you meditate." But I tell you, meditation is the art that you really need to master before you go and conquer the world. Meditation is the art that the children must know nowadays, otherwise, life is going to be really too hectic. Meditation is a huge blessing because, first of all, meditation keeps you relaxed, helps you to be very grounded in whatever situation you are in, helps you to have a very, very clear mind and a great intuition. So there are so many benefits of meditation that people knows nowadays. But the only thing is to make some time out and meditate. So I will put up some meditation videos on Aha Blessings, and you can just meditate with me. We can just meditate together, and they can be very small things really. Before you meditate, it is really not necessary that you retire into a very quiet, comfortable place. It's not always possible. You can also really meditate in the middle of the marketplace. Yes, you heard me right. That is how I have learned meditation, because I grew up in the middle of a very, very, crowded city with millions of people around me with different kinds of sounds together. Because the thing is not to run into the nature and to find support from nature. It's great. Nature's support is great. You see, I'm supported by nature. But the thing to remember is meditation is reminding yourself that you are nature. So for a second, stop this video and go down into the comment box and write, "I am nature." Please pause this video and go down to the comment box and write, "I am nature." Okay, so guess you have written it down. So the whole point of meditation is just coming back to your natural state of being. When we see all these beautiful trees around, this is a small park near the apartment where I live, and this is a place where I come and meditate with these beautiful trees. I'm sure wherever you are, wherever is your house, in the middle of the crowded city, or if you're in the nature, you're very, very lucky. It's great. I'm sure even in the city you will find one or few trees. If you just look out of your window, you will find something. If you don't find trees, at least you have a roof. You go up on the roof and you just look around, you will find a few patches of green, I'm sure. So connect with a tree. Speak to a tree just like you would speak to a person, and you can see great miracles happening, because trees, they have amazing intelligence. And when you connect with the tree, that tree really starts to give you support. I have learned a lot from trees. My best friends and my first love was a great tree. One day I will bring you to that tree, and you would be able to see it still stands. But few years back there was a very big storm, and that tree was gone in the sense all the branches and everything is gone. But this tree is so old and it's so rooted, so strong. Even the people from the government, they also could not just take that tree out. Half of it is still standing. The huge big trunk is still standing, and that is really a meditation space for me still now. So coming back to ourselves, coming back to meditation, It is so important just to be with yourself and just to relax with yourself just the way you are. And this is very much possible even in the middle of a very, very busy street. It is possible. How? Because it is all about acceptance. Just all these trees, how they are standing still in the middle of a city and they are breathing out oxygen for us. Exactly, that is how we are meant to be. But somehow we have gone out of our nature. We are not so well rooted and connected into our hearts and into our beings. And that is why it makes us more stressed and it creates so much difficulty in life. And meditation is the answer to everything. While you meditate, when you keep meditating more and more, not only you become peaceful and accepting of everything around you, but at the same time, when you walk into some place, everybody else feels that sense of peace coming from you. So you really become like a walking, talking, peaceful tree. You really spread out your branches and you really shower your flowers, you shower your blessings, and you share your fragrance with everything and everyone that is around you. So remember, meditation is a huge blessing, and whatever is happening around you, it doesn't matter. Whatever is your age, it doesn't matter. You can start right now. So again, you can make a pledge to yourself and you can tell yourself, I am natural and I can do it now. So you can again pause this video and go and comment in the comment box, I am doing it now. Do it now. Be at peace with yourself now. Be happy right now, because now is the right moment. So what we can do now is we can just sit with ourselves comfortably wherever we are. Even if you are in the middle of your work, you can just give it a break for a few minutes and you can just become aware of your body. The first thing what you can do is you can just look at your hands. Just look at your shape of your hands. All the different lines that is passing through. What is the color of your hands? Your beautiful hands, they help you so much in doing so many things every day. They are really your great support. But do you ever really take a good look at your hands? Take a little time just to look at your hands. And you can plant a few kisses. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, you can thank your hands. Thank them for all the great deeds that they do for you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the amazing things that you helped me to do. Thank you so much. I'm so happy that I have with you all the time. You are such a great gift. Thank you for all the blessings that you bring into my life. Thank you for creating so much blessings in everybody's life. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. And then you can rub your palms together and make some heat in between them. Create a little gap and feel that there's some energy in between this space, and you can expand that space a little bit. Just be like a child, be very playful. It's not at all serious. You're just playing with your own energy. Just find a few time to play with yourself. And you expand that energy and just bring it next to your ears and feel that energy just pouring into your ears. Breathe into this space between your hands. And slowly bring both the hands together in a namaste in front of your heart. Touch your heart, stroke your heart, and tell yourself everything is fine. All is well. Take a few deep breaths into your heart. And slowly you can open your eyes, and if you have your eyes open, you can just give a big smile to yourself, and that's it. You can just get going for the next task that you have at hand, and have a great day, have a blessed day, and don't forget to meditate, don't forget to be playful with yourself, and don't forget to smile. Have a great day.